Hello everyone, welcomes my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you're enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best website for a part-time flexible job. For more information, hold the video till the end. That's very great for you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money-making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Appon? Appon Limited is a publicly traded company listed on the Australian Securities Exchange under the code APX. Appon provides or improves data used for the development of machine learning and artificial intelligence products. If you want to visit the website, link in the description box. Is Appon.com legit? I will have to answer this with a resounding no. Appon is not a scam. While there are numerous pros and cons to working for Appon, it is a legitimate work-from-home opportunity. How much do you make with Appon? Average Appon hourly pay ranges from approximately $9 per hour for researcher to $30 per hour for data collector. The average Appon daily wage ranges from approximately $85.69 per day for researcher to $95 per day for English teacher. What does Appon company do? Appon collects and labels images, text, speech, audio, video, and other data used to build and continuously improve the world's most innovative artificial intelligence systems. How do we start with Appon? Here are 9 steps to get started as soon as possible. 1. Find out if your current boss will allow you to work remotely. 2. Update your resume. 3. Apply for jobs. 4. Do some reading. 5. Build your workspace. 6. Set official work hours. 7. Choose a planner or project management tool, and use it. 8. Stick to a routine. 9. Learn new skill. Appon deploying world-class AI. When your goal is to launch world-class AI, our reliable training data gives you the confidence to deploy. You choose the level of service and security you want for data collection and annotation, from white glove managed service to flexible self-service. 1. Platform access. Human intelligence at scale combined with cutting-edge models to create reliable training data that meets your requirements. The platform enables people to provide the annotations, judgments, and labels you need. 2. Crowd management. Let the world improve your AI with our global crowd of over 1 million skilled contractors. They speak 180+ languages in 130+ countries, and you can choose the level of qualification, security, and breadth that fit your objectives. 3. Expertise. Collaborate with our multilingual, globally based experts to ensure data meets your specs. We use multiple quality control methods, mechanisms, and technology to meet and exceed your quality standards for training data. Appon delivering confidence for your AI projects. 1. Quality. Our skilled project managers use multiple quality control methods and mechanisms to meet and exceed quality standards for training data. 2. Scale. With a crowd of over 1 million skilled contractors operating in 130+ countries and 180+ languages and dialects, we can collect and label high volumes of image, text, speech, audio, and video data used to build and improve artificial intelligence systems. 3. Security. We provide multiple secure service offerings, including secure, remote contractors, on-site contractors, on-premise solutions. 4. Speed. Our platform and solutions are purpose-built to handle large-scale data collection and annotation projects, on demand. With deep expertise in planning and recruiting to meet a variety of use cases for our clients, we can quickly ramp up new projects in new markets. I hope you all are enjoying the video and start your online career today. If you get more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share the video. Good luck.